Hello friends, today cooking magic taco dinner. So the magic ingredients you will need are hot taco shell, soft chocolate shell, cheese, chicken, taco sauce, taco seasoning mix, lettuce, tomato, red pepper, salt, pepper, oil. So now you add the oil to the pan, about this much, and then add the chicken to the pan. And now let it cook. Okay, so when you chop it up into smaller pieces, you're gonna add salt, now you're gonna add some pepper, about a little bit amount. Now you mix it around, and then you add a seasoning, a little bit, and then now you're gonna add some water. And mix it up. While the meat cooks, we're going to prepare the vegetables. So you're going to cut the lettuce into small pieces. Okay, now when everything's ready, you're gonna add all the ingredients. Now you're gonna add vegetables. Take some lettuce. Put some right here. Some tomato. Take some red pepper. And then that's how you make a taco. Now you're gonna make the soft taco. You're gonna take the meat. Gonna put it in the middle, like that. Now you're just gonna take some lettuce, some tomato and pepper, some cheese, and fold it up. Just like that. Now you're gonna take the sauce and add them to your tacos. This is what we cooked, our delicious taco, and I'm gonna eat it right now. It's so yummy. Magic taco dinner. Hey guys, today we'll be cooking epic. Hey guys, today we'll be cooking. Саду копию, не дам кушать.
А?
Можешь звуки не делать, пожалуйста, Лиса?